Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. Today we're going to do a product review on another Aosu solar panel security system.
Recently, we did a review on a separate security system. Aosu got in touch with us and they asked us if we'd be willing to do another one for a different model, so they sent us this. The primary difference between this and the first one, which you can take a look at on the links. Why do I never get that right? Anyhow, the difference on this one is, this one has a very wide angle camera, so it can stay stationary, where the other camera that we first reviewed had a rotating camera angle there. So it's just a matter of preference. Maybe you're recording something that's in your backyard that really doesn't need to move around and you just need a wide angle. This might be ideal. The difference also between this and the other one is this is a 5 megapixel image, so we expect it to be really clear.
Now let's get into the review.
The Aosu solar-powered security camera system comes with 2 solar panels, 2 universal joints, 2 locking screws, and 2 bases that will be used to connect to the solar panels. It has 2 of the Solar Cam Max Pros, has USB cords, a Cat5 that connects your home base to your router, a power cord for this, 2 mounting brackets, and 2 mounting braces, along with the screws that you need to mount it to the side of the wall or wherever you're going to be placing this. When installing the solar panel, remove the locking screw cap, place it over the bracket there, and this will be screwed directly into the panel itself. Once it's connected, you will screw the base into the wall or wherever you're going to mount it, and then this in turn screws onto here and holds everything in place. The tighter you screw this, this becomes immobile and will stay in the position that you want it. Mounting the camera is slightly different. You will be screwing this into here as such. This will be mounted onto the wall simply by adding those screws. Be sure to follow instructions. It points this way up. You will notice that the back of this has a similar shape onto this. You're going to match that up. You'll match it up as such, and then snap it down into place, and it will hold on to wherever you have it mounted. All right, normally what we would do is show you exactly how to install the application. As you may know, we just did this just a couple weeks ago for the original set of cameras. And so instead of showing you once again, go ahead and click on the link. I can never get it right. Click on the link of our last review of Aosu security cameras, and it'll show you step by step how to install it. This time we want to focus on exactly some of the features and how it appears through the app and what it looks like with all 4 of our cameras. So let's get into that instead.
security camera is stationary. It does have a wide angle and the resolution is amazing. We would like to thank Aosu for providing us with this product.
Once again, I too would like to thank Aosu for entrusting us to do another review so quickly after the first one. Combining these with the first two security cameras and being able to see every angle around our house with just the phone was pretty amazing. I was very impressed with that one. Next week, we don't have a definitive plan, as always, of recent weeks. So until we meet again, bye-bye.